It's amazing. It's amazing. As
You said your heart is beating, is it?
you can see, look at my face. My heart is still beating. As I'm talking to you now, my heart is still beating. It was like, I can't believe it. I can't believe it because this is my first time to write this IGC, and I passed the IGC 1, passed the IGC 2. It's amazing.
Congratulations. 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 Davis, you tell
Yes,
me about your past experience. You wrote me message about your previous experience with the IGC and then experience with the 3S. Just to explain about me slowly.
yes. Actually, I was saying that I have friends or colleagues who wrote this IGC 1. I've seen them written it like 10 times, 3 times, 4 times, and they couldn't pass. They couldn't pass. They never passed. And up to now, some of them wrote the terms and table, but still they couldn't pass. They couldn't pass. So for me, Davis, my first time to join 3 years Life Safe Academy and to be able to pass the IGC 1 and even the IGC 2, especially for me to be able to pass these two things, it means a lot. It means a lot to me. And I can contribute my success to 3 years Life Safe Academy because all that I'm saying is that if only the students, you are a student and you will follow the instruction. And I remember the instruction key well. I remember when we had a Zoom meeting with you and the other lecturers. You told us that we should always first join the Zoom link on time. 2, participate in what they are doing. Ask questions if you don't understand anything. 3, the group homework, which is being done online, participate in it. 4, your personal learning. You told us to have at least 2 hours personal learning after classes. You told us not to joke with the homework. If you have any issue, we should write back. And our lecturer was so super. During class and after class, when you WhatsApp him personally, he's going to reply you. Like his quick response is excellent. And one thing that amazes me is during the mock time, the feedback comment he will give it to you. If only you will follow the feedback comments, these exams you will pass all. You'll pass all. Because I remember during the IGC2, when you were teaching us about the IGC2, when it got to the consideration, the severity rate and then the sovereignty rate, I was confused. But I was looking at you quietly. Later, I look at the video again, and then finally I was able to get it. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now my eyes have started tearing. Okay, I'm getting more emotional.
I'm surprised because, like I said, I don't know anything about NEBOSH. I was working in Dubai for the past 3 to 4 years now. I don't know anything about safety. I don't have any safety background. I don't know anything about safety. So I was just going through YouTube. I think then I saw 3 years Life Safe Academy, and I saw you were talking about something about IGC 2, IGC 1, IGC 2. Then I saw the success rate. I said, this institution, what are they saying? What are they talking about? Then sometimes I will see your video, you are telling the people it's a good career, you can become this, you can become that. I said, then I picked your contacts. And then I spoke to one of your guys in the office. But I want to say a very big thank you to the guy that I spoke to. His last number is 470. Anytime I will call this guy, he will pick. Any message I will give it to him, he will reply me. Could you believe I can call the guy on the video call? He will still pick the video call with me, and then he will encourage me. He will tell me, you can do it. Davis, you can do it. Don't worry. And even, I want to thank you so much for your payment plan. People don't talk about it, but let me talk about your payment plan. You always give the student the opportunity to write this exam. 3 years Life Safe Academy, we have a payment plan for you. You can make the first payment, you can make the second payment, you can make the third payment. If only you really want to write, we'll give you the chance. Then the chance was given to me. I made a payment, and when I made a payment, so now it is full of joy. Finally, I'm seeing my results. I'm grateful. I'm grateful.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You from which country, Davis?
I'm from Ghana, West Africa. Ghana.
West Africa. Very nice. And you have been working in Dubai, is it?
No, currently I'm in Kuwait.
You're in Kuwait. You're in Kuwait. Okay, yeah. Come. I'm calling the person, okay, whom you spoke to him, okay. He is a friend to you, okay. You can see him. Hello, Shantanu, come. There is Dodoo. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see him. Thank you so much for your encouragement.
Speak to him. Speak to him. Okay, 1 second.
Thank you so much for your encouragement.
One second. Speak to him. Yeah. Speak to him.
Yeah, hi, Mr. Davis Dodoo.
He's praising you.
Yes. Sir, thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, congratulations.
I want to say thank you.
Good paper, IG1, IG2, the first attempt.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your encouragement. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Usually, I'll call you in the morning. You'll pick my call. Sometimes I will even call you early, 2 months late in India, but still, you pick my calls. Thank you so much for your time, your patience, and everything, and then your encouragement. Thank you so much
for your kind words. I did my best level. Okay, so and you also gave the good result. And congratulations once again, passing both paper, IG1, IG2, and again we'll be made for the international diploma. Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much. Recently, I've been watching the YouTube. I'm seeing the IDIP success. People are talking about IDIP with 3 years Life Safe Academie. They are passing it at their first time. I'm coming for it. I'm coming for that one also.
Sure. Okay. Thank you so much.
I'm coming for it. Thank you so much.
Very nice. We have a very strong team, Davis. We have a very strong team. We have a very strong tutors. We have a very cultured and very honest process.
Yes.
And we are so grateful to you having the belief because you are from Ghana and then working in Kuwait, and it made you believe that we could be the best selection of the NEBOSH learning partner. You made a belief because you are in far away other side of the world, and now you made a belief. That is a great. I'm so thankful to you for selecting this 3 years Life Safe Akademie and having the successful journey. Okay, and that is what we are so happy about our process. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Because and one thing is like the genuineness is too much. The institution genuineness is too much. Before I was thinking about 3 years Life Safe Academy. I don't know them. If I pay the money, what will happen? I pay the money. I got my receipts. I got like the feedback. When you pay the money and they receive the money, it is not done. They are going to call you. They'll be calling you. They'll give you PDFs. What do you want? Do you want PDF? What question do you want? Anything you ask, they will provide. Thank you. I'm overwhelmed. Like right now, as I speak to you, today is Friday. Today is off day in Kuwait. I wish today is Saturday. I'm going to show my results to my boss. My boss that I have finally passed my 50 years.
So you are not the brand ambassador for the 3 years in your friends group and your professional group.
Because I'm so much happy. I tell you, because many people were doubting me. They were telling me, God, IGC2 is difficult. Davis, you cannot pass in the first attempt because I feel like this. I said, no, listen, let me give a try. And the try was amazing. I'm so much happy. I don't know what to say. I'm happy.
I remember that you attended one of my class also.
Yes, your IGC2 classes time, I was always there. I'm always there. I remember when he started talking about the job description. I remember when he started talking about the hazard categories and the hazard, especially when you explain to us what hazard category is and then hazard. I was confused about what is hazard category and what is hazard. But when you came in, you explained what is hazard category, what is hazard, and especially the source of information. You said we have two types. We have the internal and then the external, and how to get the internal information and the external, and then also how to apply the law. As you said, I'm so happy. I'm just happy. I'm just happy. I'm just happy. I'm just happy.
Very nice. Very nice to see your results. And I again, heartiest congratulations to you for your successful achievement. I really feel very great. Okay, and I feel very proud on your achievements. Okay, and keep it up. Keep it up, and remain connected. Make the more people to get connected with the 3S Life Safe Academy.
Yes, yes. Actually, I think I have given almost 4 people
Okay.
to the guy who came. I've given 4 contacts. I think they have spoken to him already.
Okay. Very nice.
So maybe at the right time will come. Yes.
Very nice. And now today is a Friday, and now it is a very good day. And I have given you the link for the LinkedIn and the Google. You give best reviews. Whatever you have words, you can write in the Google review and the LinkedIn. Okay, and post your results.
Sure. I will do so. I will do so.
And
thank you so much. Thanks so much.
So nice of you. And once you receive the certificate also, when you are going to receive the certificate, you'll receive in very secured manner. You are going to receive in very secured manner. We have a very good
waiting. I saw it on YouTube. I think yesterday or 2 days ago. I saw you were packing some certificates.
Yes.
I said to myself, I know my certificate will be coming very soon. one guy opened a certificate and I saw 3S Life Safe certificate, participation certificate, and I saw the NEBOSH. I was like, man, this package is coming. It's coming from India to Kuwait. Very good.
Very nice. Keep it up. God bless you. God bless you. And very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time, for speaking out to me. And again, I may say, God bless you and always be happy. And we are in other part of the world. You are in the South Africa from Ghana and working in Kuwait. So it made you believe now 3S is the best institution. Okay, it's the most trustworthy institutions. Okay, it's the most trustworthy. There'll be no kind of anything to regret. You never have a chance to regret with the 3S.
Yes, very true. It's trustworthy. There is no regret. Like I said, if only you will follow the instructions. If only you will follow the instructions, you will not fail. You will not fail. I wanted to ask about the IDIP. The IDIP.
Yeah.
The IDIP, like how long does it take to finish IDIP? Is it 6 months, 5 months?
Yeah, IDIP will take roughly close to 10 months.
Okay.
10 months. Okay. And IDIP will go and has a 3 paper, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yes.
So every unit is keep rotating after 2 months of the cycle.
Okay.
That means, just to make you understand, in the month of January 2026, there's an examination for DI3, third unit. Okay. So in January is going to be DI3, then DI1 will come in the month of March examination, and DI2 will come in the month of May. Again, DI3 will come in the month of July. Again, DI1 will come in month of September, and DI2 will come in November. So this is how cycle will keep rotating. What I will do, I will tell Mr. Shantanu Das, your friend, to give you all the details for IDIP. So you plan your and all this planning and all, and make sure that whenever you wish to join, you are always welcome.
Thank you. Sure.
You can also contact Mr. Shantanu Das. We have a other certification program like OSHA. OSHA 30 hours, OSHA 45 hours, different OSHA we have. You can plan of doing a small certification course. By the time your NEBOSH certificate will come after 1 month, in the month of December. So once you do the OSHA, you will have the OSHA certification also will be sent to you along with the NEBOSH certification.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I will consider that also. I will consider that also.
OSHA you do it because NEBOSH IGC is a UK based and OSHA is a USA based.
Okay, it's good to have both.
Yeah, good to have both. Okay, so I'll tell Shantanu to speak to you and do the OSHA. So once you get the certificate, the file, no, you have a OSHA certificate as well as NEBOSH certificate along with you.
Okay.
If you want to do the IOSH, it is all your wish. So I'll tell Shantanu to connect with you. Okay.
All right. I will consider doing that.
Yeah. So thank you. God bless you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Empowering